Step 1. Adjacent valvular lesions will have same murmur. For example, AR murmur will be same as that of PR. Similarly, PS murmur will be same as that of AS. Step 2. Remember acronym ARMS diastolic. AR and MS will have a diastolic murmur, whereas remaining two valvular lesions AS and MR will have a systolic murmur. Before moving to step 3, don't forget about step 1. By applying both step 1 and 2, we can conclude that PR and TS will have diastolic murmur, whereas PS and TR will have a systolic murmur. Step 3. Remember the mnemonic REM sleep, where REMs stand for regurgitant early and stenotic mid. Regurgitant lesions will have early phase murmurs, whereas stenotic lesions will have mid phase murmurs. Let us learn with applying all three steps on few examples. Murmur of AR. Step 1. AR will have similar murmur as that of PR. Step 2. Mnemonic ARMS diastolic. AR will have diastolic murmur. Step 3. REMS. Regurgitant lesion will have early phase murmur. Final answer. Early diastolic murmur is seen in aortic regurgitation. Murmur of PS. Step 1. PS will have similar murmur as that of AS. Step 2. Mnemonic ARMS diastolic. PS will have systolic murmur. Step 3. REMS. Stenotic lesion will have mid-phase murmur. Final answer. Mid-systolic murmur is seen in pulmonary stenosis.